हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम एस सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को एमसीक्यू ऑन स्पेसिफिकेशंस बताने वाला हूं, जो कि 5th यूनिट है कॉन्ट्रैक्शन अकाउंट का। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम लोग 30 एमसीक्यूज विथ आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं इन 10 मिनट्स। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखो। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। मैं आपको आपके एग्ज़ाम से पहले हर यूनिट पर 30 एमसीक्यूज प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करूँगा। अगर आपने मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स एमसीक्यू ऑन Contacts and Account Unit 1, MCQ on Contacts and Account Unit 2, MCQ on Contacts and Account Unit 3, MCQ on Contacts and Account Unit 4 नहीं देखा है तो पहले प्लीज़ उसे देखो, तो आप लोग को कंटिन्यूटी मिलेगी। आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर टॉप कॉर्नर पे आई का सिंबल दिख रहा होगा। जब आप उसे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं MCQ ऑन स्पेसिफिकेशंस। Question number 1. Specifications indicates option A quantity of material, option B workmanship of item, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 2. The cost of a unit quantity of work is known by its option A contractor, option B owner, option C specification, option D none of these. The right answer is specification. Question number 3. Tender documents without specification is considered as option A complete, option B incomplete, option C invalid, option D both B and C. The right answer is both B and C. Question number 4. Specification depends upon option A site condition, option B nature of work, option C purpose for which work is carried, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 5. The general specification used for estimating the project is called option A detailed specification, option B brief specification, option C standard specification, option D manufactured specification. The right answer is brief specification. Question number 6. In which detailed information of the various quantities of material, procedure of workmanship to be adopted, nature and class of work is mentioned? Option A detailed specification, option B brief specification, option C standard specification, option D manufactured specification. The right answer is detailed specification. Question number 7. In which the properties of products such as strength, thickness, depth, elasticity is mentioned? Option A detailed specification, option B brief specification, option C standard specification, option D manufactured specification. The right answer is manufactured specification. Question number 8. Which corporation makes the standard specification? Option A MSEB, option B MIDC, option C PWD, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 9. Measurement of excavation taken in option A cubic meter, option B square mm or mm square, option C centimeter square, option D feet square. The right answer is meter cube or cubic meter. Question number 10. Separate extra rate shall be applicable for every extra lead of option A 10 meter, option B 20 meter, option C 30 meter, option D 40 meter. The right answer is 30 meter. Question number 11. Separate extra rate shall be applicable for every extra lift of option A 1 meter, option B 1.5 meter, Option C 2 meter. Option D 2.5 meter. The right answer is 1.5 meter. Question number 12. For RR masonry, size of stone shall not be less than option A 50 mm, option B 75 mm, option C 100 mm, option D 150 mm. The right answer is 150 mm. Question number 13. For RCC masonry, thickness of joint shall not more than option A 20 mm, option B 30 mm, option C 40 mm, option D 50 mm. The right answer is 20 mm. Question number 14. For RR masonry, bond stones at least dash long. Option A 300 mm, option B 450 mm, option C 400 mm, option D 350 mm. The right answer is 450 mm. Question number 15. In cement concrete, size of coarse aggregate shall be option A 10 mm, option B 16 mm, option C 20 mm, option D 25 mm. The right answer is 20 mm. Question number 16. Dash size of coarse aggregates are being used for building work. Option A 20 mm, option B 40 mm, option C 60 mm, option D 80 mm. The right answer is 20 mm. Question number 17. 40 to 60 mm size of coarse aggregate are being used for option A building work, option B road work, option C mass concreting work, option D none of these. The right answer is mass concreting work. Question number 18. In cement concrete, fine aggregate shall pass through sieve of dash square mesh. Option A 20 mm, option B 15 mm, option C 10 mm, option D 5 mm. The right answer is 5 mm. Question number 19. In cement concrete, proportion of concrete shall be option A 1 raised to 2 raised to 4, option B 1 raised to 1.5 raised to 3, option C 1 raised to 2 raised to 3, option D 1 raised to 1.8 raised to 2.5. The right answer is 1 raised to 2 raised to 4. Question number 20. For 7 days, the minimum compressive strength of cement concrete 1 raised to 2 raised to 4 shall be option A 21 Newton per mm square, option B 14 Newton per mm square, option C 28 Newton per mm square, option D 42 Newton per mm square. The right answer is 14 Newton per mm square. Question number 21. One bag of cement consists of dash kg of cement. Option A 30 kg, option B 40 kg, option C 50 kg, option D 60 kg. The right answer is 50 kg. Question number 22. For machine mixing, what is the required quantity of water for per bag of cement? Option A 10 to 20 liter, option B 25 to 30 liter, option C 30 to 40 liter, option D none of these. The right answer is 25 to 30 liter. Question number 23. For building work, slum of dash mm should be permitted. Option A 20 to 30, option B 30 to 40, option C 75 to 80, option D 75 to 100. The right answer is 75 to 100. Question number 24. For road work, slum of dash mm should be permitted. Option A 20 to 30, option B 50 to 75, option C 75 to 100, option D 30 to 40. The right answer is 30 to 40. Question number 25. Forms at the bottom surface in case of beam and slab shall not be removed before option A 14 days, option B 21 days, option C 28 days, option D none of these. The right answer is 14 days. Question number 26. For first class brick, compressive strength shall not be less than option A 12.5 Newton per mm square, option B 15 Newton per mm square, option C 10.5 Newton per mm square, option D 17.5 Newton per mm square. The right answer is 10.5 Newton per mm square. Question number 27. Brickwork shall not be carried out more than option A 1 meter, option B 0.25 meter, option C 0.5 meter, option D 0.75 meter. The right answer is 1 meter. Question number 28. The surface shall be brushed and washed with fresh water and maintained in a thoroughly wet condition for dash hours before starting the plastering work. Option A 5 hours, option B 10 hours, option C 24 hours, option D 12 hours. The right answer is 24 hours. Question number 29. There shall be at least dash days internal between application of the first coat and finishing coat. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right answer is 3. Question number 30. The unit of measurement for all the plaster items shall be option A square meter, option B square centimeter, option C square mm, option D none of these. The right answer is square meter or meter square. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video. Thank you.